Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tuition Valla. Essay on Peacock, 20 lines. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. Peacock likes clouds very much. Its neck is long. It has two small eyes. It has blue feathers. It dances in rainy season. It cannot fly very high. It has crown on its head. It eats fruits, grains, and insects. The crown is very attractive. Peacock female is called peahen. Peacock lives in the garden and forest. It is a omnivorous bird. We can see peacock in zoo. Peacock lives in the garden and forest. It is the national bird of India. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.